Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 30th of March 2024 and I'm going to be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla for the week ending the 5th of April. For the expiry on the 5th of April actually. So the CE level stays the same, but the PE level has gone up, so that is a positive. Quantity is higher for PE, which is positive. Change is a lot higher for PE, which is positive. The short squeeze is much higher for PE, which is actually negative. PCR is now 1.66, which is a positive. Implied volatility went up, but historical went down, which is a negative and positive respectively. RSI has gone up, which is positive. No divergence, which is still negative. ADX and ATR both went up and down respectively, which is two negatives. However, and the EMAs went down as well, which is negative. However, the VWAP, pivot point, and candlestick are all bullish. So overall, the new support is 172.5. Previous week was 170. Resistance is now 180, same as last week. And overall, the prediction is that Tesla goes up. So thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.